Kumakain na sila. This mukbang barbecue is for our 500 subscribers. Thank you so much.
500?
Yes.
500?
Sa 500. And then now it's 700 and counting. Happy Father's Day!
Yeah!
Kain po tayo.
Bye! Bye-bye! Takpan na!
3,
Oh!
shout out sa binila namin.
Marlon, asawa ni
Marlon
Marvin.
and Maribel. Barbecuehan sa Balubad, Porac, Pampanga.
Nanay ni Carmen.
Sa mga taga Pampanga dyan. Along Porac. Try nyo po. Along Porac and Guagua. Malapit sila.
Nagla-load sila.
Sari-sari store din sila.
May bahay din sila.
Mag-sing lang sila.
May barbecue sila.
May kotse sila. Thank you for watching. You do have a great day.
That's all for today.
Sasabihin ko na malawan yun.
What's up mga kabilis?
Okay, takpan mo na.
Okay.
6.5 hours later.
Ay! Before and after, wala na po laman. Pati tao, wala na po silang lahat. And that's my vlog for today. Pwede. Nyaman, no? Oh, mga kabilets. Kanyaman. Sauce na mo pong itada, no? Pong nasi. Yan ang mukbang. That's all for today's vlog. Mga kabilets, thank you for watching. You do have a great day now. Bye! That's our barbecue mukbang.